What's up, Quackers? Welcome back to Quacky Quiz. In today's video, we are diving into the ultimate game of Would You Rather. We've put together a mix of the most entertaining and unexpected matchups that you definitely don't want to miss. So, are you ready for 45 crazy questions? And you only have 10 seconds on the clock for each question. Trust your gut and let's jump straight into the first challenge. But before we start the quiz, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Push it, Quacky, yes!
Would you rather Bluey house, Hello Kitty house, or a mystery house?
Wow, what an epic Mario house!
Would you rather
Paw Patrol front gate, Grizzly Bear front gate,
or a mystery front gate?
Awesome! It's a super cool Miles Morales front gate. Can you quickly find the one that breaks the pattern? Congratulations, you found the odd one out like a true pro.
Would you rather
Mario doorbell, Mabel Pines doorbell, or a mystery doorbell? Ew, it's a broken vector doorbell.
Would you rather
Moana swimming pool, Luca swimming pool, or a mystery swimming pool? Yay, it's a refreshing Squirtle swimming pool. Search carefully and spot the 3 hidden details today. Perfect score! Nothing escapes your amazing attention to detail.
Would you rather
Isabella Garden, Wally Garden, or a mystery garden? Yikes, it's a creepy plant versus zombie rotten garden.
Would you rather
Garfield massage chair, Patrick massage chair, or a mystery massage chair? Wow, it's a super relaxing Gudetama massage chair. Which one of these is the actual official one? Perfect choice! You are completely unbeatable at this game.
Would you rather
Nemo Aquarium, SpongeBob Aquarium, or a mystery aquarium? Super cute! It's a magical Ariel aquarium.
Would you rather
We Bear Bear's bedroom, My Melody bedroom, or a mystery bedroom?
Sweet, it's a super cozy Rapunzel bedroom. Try to remember exactly where each card is located. Grab the phone. You successfully outsmarted this game. Great job right there. Would you rather Snoopy mailbox, Bluey mailbox, or a mystery mailbox? Awesome! It's a shockingly cute Pikachu mailbox. Would you rather Rubble bathroom, Squirtle bathroom, or a mystery bathroom? Ew, it's a dirty Dr. Doofenshmirtz bathroom. Which present calls to you? Just avoid the trap. Open it up. Did you get a good present? Would you rather Peppa Pig toilet, SpongeBob toilet, or a mystery toilet? Nice, it's a perfectly clean bingo toilet. Would you rather Peppa Pig bathtub, Rubber Duck bathtub, or a mystery bathtub? Yay, it's a super bubbly Bubbles bathtub. Which one of these items stands out from the crowd? Fantastic job catching that tiny difference among all the others. Would you rather Hello Kitty nightstand, Doraemon nightstand, or a mystery nightstand? Watch out, it's a creepy Ursula nightstand. Would you rather Bell Library, Twilight Sparkle Library, or a mystery library? Oh no, it's a dusty abandoned library. Spot the 3 things out of place right now. Flawless victory. You caught every little missing detail. Would you rather SpongeBob bed, We Bare Bears bed, or a mystery bed? Wow, it's a super comfy Mario bed. Would you rather My Melody pillow, Kirby pillow, or a mystery pillow? Yuck, it's a broken Lotso pillow. Guess the real one and show off your memory. You got it! Nobody can trick your sharp mind. Would you rather Remy Kitchen, Tiana Kitchen, or a mystery kitchen? Oh dear, it's a disastrous Chef Skinner kitchen. Would you rather Homer Simpson sofa, Bluey sofa, or a mystery sofa? Wow, it's a perfectly soft Garfield sofa. Can you perfectly memorize the position of these cards? Point to the eraser. You remembered the exact spot. You are truly amazing. Would you rather Ice Bear ice cream maker, Winnie the Pooh ice cream maker, or a mystery ice cream maker? Super cool! It's a magical Elsa ice cream maker. Would you rather Bluey living room, Perry living room, or a mystery living room? Ah, a totally chill Gudetama living room. Select your hidden prize, just stay away from the trap. Open it up! Did you get a good present? Would you rather Chip Cup, Gudetama Cup, or a mystery cup? Gross! It's a super dirty King Pig cup. Would you rather Judy Hop's workspace, Tails workspace, or a mystery workspace? Awesome! A high-tech Dexter workspace. See how fast you can find the odd one out. You solved it. Your eyes missed absolutely nothing in this game. Would you rather My Melody refrigerator, Gudetama refrigerator, or a mystery refrigerator? Yikes, it's an evil plankton refrigerator. Would you rather Gudetama soap dispenser, Patrick soap dispenser, or a mystery soap dispenser? Aw, it's an adorable Bluey soap dispenser. Spot the 3 clever differences waiting to be found. You solved it! Your vision is as sharp as ever. Would you rather Charmander fireplace, Calcifer fireplace, or a mystery fireplace? Run! It's a scary haunted fireplace! Would you rather Sully door, Mirabelle door, or a mystery door? Oh no! It's a dangerous big bad wolf door! Choose the right one on your very first try. Correct! Nothing gets past your incredibly sharp mind. Would you rather Schroeder piano, Johnny piano, or a mystery piano? Wow, it's an awesome Tom electrical piano. Would you rather Rapunzel window view, Snoopy window view, or a mystery window view? Yikes, it's a terrifying The Evil Queen window view. Make a mental note of where each card belongs. Point to the ruler. Fantastic! You kept every single card securely in mind. Would you rather Wreck-It Ralph game room, Miles Morales game room, or a mystery game room? Awesome! It's a super fun Mario game room. Would you rather Unikitty toothbrush, Bluey toothbrush, or a mystery toothbrush? Yay! It's a sweet My Melody toothbrush. Select your hidden prize. Just stay away from the trap. Tell us the truth. Did you get the prank?
Yay! That's the end of the quiz. Thank you for playing until the end of the quiz. Don't forget to check out my other videos. See you next time, Quackers!